the women's 100 backstroke S9, Ellie Cole from Australia set a new world record time in the heats this morning. Emily Gray for South Africa goes in lane 1. Hannah Aston, the USA, in lane number 2. Nuria SOTO from Spain in lane number 3. Ellie Cole, what a sensational world record that was, 108.89. And Tully KEARNY, the young Great Britain swimmer, in lane number 5. Elizabeth Smith, the bronze medalist at the last World Championships in Montreal, goes in 6. Zsofia KONKOLY from Hungary, the 13-year-old, in lane number 7. And Valeriia KUKANOVA in lane number 8 for Russia.
Well, Ellie Cole this morning, when she set that world record, she looked up at the scoreboard. Well, what she actually said, we're not allowed to say live on air because she was so shocked at how quickly she'd swum. She really made the rest of the field look quite ordinary, Paul.
The record was held for many years by Stephanie Dixon, I think back to the 90s, by Stephanie Dixon in one form or another. It now belongs to Ellie Cole, who swims there, the yellow cap of Australia, in lane number 4.
Well, using almost the full 15 underwater, Elizabeth Smith there at the USA in lane number 6. Expect the rest of the field to start coming back on her, especially Ellie Cole. Ellie Cole, a lovely, fluid, rolling motion she's got on the backstroke there. She had an operation on her shoulder and lost a bit of flexibility, but you wouldn't know it to look at her. She's over very well indeed, and good underwater. It's good streamlining from Cole. Tully KEARNY from Great Britain also going well. And Smith, better underwater again, but this is all about Ellie Cole in the centre lane, Paul. Look at that, you could put a glass of water right on her forehead and you're not going to spill a drop.
This is fantastic from Ellie Cole from Australia. She set the world record in the heats. Can she better that again in the final? A great contest for silver between MARQUES, SOTO and Tully KEARNY, but there's no doubt about who's going to take it. It's going to be Ellie Cole, and it's another new world record for Ellie Cole in 108.67. She has improved the time she set this morning. Tully KEARNY gets in for the silver in 1:10.52, and just ahead of Nuria SOTO, 1:10.68 from Spain. But there is the champion, the new world record holder, Ellie Cole from Australia.
Well, when you're hot, and she is absolutely sizzling at the moment. It was a good swim also from Tully KEARNY to take the silver medal in this race. She went 1:10.52. I think she'll be pleased with that. MARQUES SOTO of Spain took the bronze medal, 1:10.68. But Ellie Cole, I mean, if you want to know how to swim backstroke, copy what Ellie Cole does, because that's what it says in the textbook. She's not great here. She gets overtaken by Smith of the USA. Good on the turn, rolls over and rolls into the tumble, all in one fluid motion, and then forms a good streamlined position as she kicks her way off the wall before she breaks through the surface of the water there and straight into the arm stroke. The Australian is absolutely spot on with this backstroke swimming. Here's the finish. She doesn't look over her shoulder, he said, as she then puts in a massive reach for the wall. It's a good stretch, but she times it absolutely perfectly. And well, she got a taper right, Paul.
Ellie Cole, the second world record of the day for the Australian. She is the world champion, ahead of Tully KEARNY and Nuria SOTO.